In 1970, Soviet engineers began drilling the deepest hole in history. 20 years later, the Earth itself forced them to stop. Today, we are finishing what they started. Meet our probe, a tungsten dart hotter than lava, built to melt through solid rock. Its target sits 6,371 kilometers straight down, the center of the Earth. The first meters are crowded. Roots, worms, buried streets, forgotten graves. Nearly everything archaeologists have ever discovered came from this paper-thin skin of soil. 1 kilometer down, we pass the world's deepest gold mines, where rock is so hot that giant refrigeration plants run day and night just to keep the miners alive. 4 kilometers. The deepest mine on Earth dead ends here, its rock face 66 degrees hot. Past this line, no human being has ever physically existed. 12 kilometers. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, deepest hole ever made. Drills found water where none should exist, an ancient rock that bent like warm plastic. And here is the humbling part. That world record, 20 years of drilling, covered barely 0.2% of the distance to the center of our planet. 35 kilometers. We pierce the bottom of the crust. Every mountain, ocean, and city rides on this shell, proportionally thinner than the skin of an apple. Welcome to the mantle, a glowing ocean of rock 3,000 kilometers thick. It is not liquid. It is solid stone that flows, slowly, like ancient glacier ice. These sluggish currents drag whole continents across the globe. The ground under your feet right now is drifting about as fast as your fingernails grow. 660 kilometers, diamond country. Most gems on wedding rings were forged near this depth, then fired to the surface in volcanic elevators faster than race cars. Locked inside blue crystals here hides an invisible reservoir, enough water to fill every ocean several times over, imprisoned inside solid stone. The pressure now tops 1 million atmospheres. Our probe's tungsten shell is being squeezed like a soda can at the bottom of a mountain range. Near the mantle's floor loom 2 continent-sized blobs of mystery rock, each taller than 100 Everests stacked. Scientists still argue about what they even are. 2,900 kilometers. The edge of the core. Solid rock ends at an ocean of molten metal, a boundary wilder than any landscape on the surface. The outer core, liquid iron and nickel, white-hot, churning in storms the size of continents. If you could see it, it would look like a sun turned inside out. Those metal storms generate Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield deflecting solar radiation. No liquid core, no shield. No shield, no life above. Want proof it matters? Mars, its core froze, its shield collapsed, and the sun stripped its atmosphere away. That red desert is a 4-billion-year-old warning. Dissolved in this metal ocean is so much gold and platinum that, spread over the surface, it would bury the whole planet knee-deep in treasure. 5,100 kilometers. Ahead floats a solid metal moon inside the liquid. The inner core, a ball of iron nearly the size of Pluto. Touchdown. The temperature here matches the surface of the sun, yet pressure crushes the iron into a solid. The hottest place on Earth is also unmeltable. Down here, iron may grow into giant crystals kilometers tall, an alien forest of metal at the heart of our planet that no eye will ever see. The inner core spins at its own rhythm, sometimes faster than the planet, sometimes slower. In 2023, scientists noticed it may have recently reversed direction. Now the twist. Everything we just showed you was discovered without anyone going there. Earthquakes act like a planet-sized X-ray machine, revealing the world inside. Every great quake rings the Earth like a bell. By timing those echoes at thousands of stations, we mapped a world that no drill will ever reach. 6,371 kilometers, the exact center. Gravity now pulls equally in every direction, and our probe finally weighs nothing at all. Remember those Kola engineers? Their entire life's work covered less distance than a morning jog. The planet guards its secrets better than any vault. Humanity has flown probes 24 billion kilometers into space, yet no machine has traveled more than 12 into the Earth. The least explored world is under your feet. So next time you stand on solid ground, remember, you are floating on a thin raft of rock, above a hidden ocean of fire, wrapped around a spinning metal moon. If that just rearranged your brain, subscribe to learn everything today, because next time we leave Earth entirely and fall into a black hole, see you on the other side.